Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is beef teriyaki, or at least our version of it. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Sorry if you can hear a strange noise in the background while I'm narrating this video. A couple of my wife's friends popped round for coffee. They're just leaving and are having trouble kick-starting their brooms. Okay, the first thing we do is make the teriyaki marinade. To do this, in a suitably sized jug, add the chopped garlic followed by the sugar. We're actually using golden caster sugar in this recipe. Why are you ask? Is it easier to dissolve in the liquid? Does it taste better? No, there's only sugar we add in the house. After the sugar, you can add the ground ginger, Chinese cooking wine, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Follow this with a splash of water and give it a good mix together. Then we move on to the beef. Using a sharp knife, cut across the grain into thin strips. And when this is done, add the beef strips to the marinade and it's off to a fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Then when you're ready to cook, simply thread the pieces of beef onto bamboo skewers. And you should have something that looks like this. Next, place the remaining marinade in a small saucepan, bring to the heat and simmer until it's reduced by half. Then remove from the heat and reserve. Next, heat a well-oiled griddle pan till it's nice and hot and add on the beef skewers. Then continue to cook the beef, turning occasionally and basting with the reduced marinade. And when the beef is nice and sticky from the marinade and thoroughly cooked through, it's time to serve. We do hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a go sometime. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now. I know that noise wasn't the girls kick-starting their brooms. Theirs are all electric.